Today, we'll be taking a look at the awesome EVIE T1 e-bike and putting it together. Assembling the bike itself is a breeze. However, the racks require a bit more focus. Follow these steps closely, and you'll be cruising on your new e-bike in no time. To begin, open the box and carefully remove the accessory box and saddle. Extract the T1 from the box. Inside the accessory box, you'll find the magnetic cards, the user manual, pedals, essential tools, and the battery charger. Detach the front wheel and set it aside. Start by loosening the steam top screw with the 5mm hex key. Once removed, cautiously position the handlebar without twisting the cables. Replace the top steam and screw, then securely tighten it in place. Now, it's time to install the front wheel. Remove the axle protection and insert the quick-release skewer. Before positioning the wheel, ensure the removal of the caliper protection. With that done, gently slide the front wheel into place and tighten the lever as shown. Ensure that the wheel is spinning freely. Release the seat post clamp and slide the saddle into place. Securely close the clamp to complete the installation. Insert the side stand on the internal side of the frame and firmly tighten the two screws using the 5mm hex key. Now, let's get these pedals on. The one marked L goes on the left side. Screw it on counterclockwise by hand, then tighten it firmly with the 15mm wrench. Do the same for the pedal marked R, but screw it on clockwise. To assemble the front rack, begin by securing the top support in place with the two 5mm screws. Then, attach the sidearm to the rack base using the same 5mm hex key. Next, remove the front wheel to install the sidearms. Loosen the fender screw and position the rack base between the fender and the screw. Secure it in place using the 5mm hex key. Then, using the 4mm hex key, fasten the two arms onto the internal side of the fork. Ensure that the front wheel can still spin freely. For the installation of the rear rack, begin by removing the motor's cable clip and disconnecting the cable. Take off the plastic cap and use the provided wrench to loosen the axle nuts. Turn the bicycle upside down and carefully slide the wheel out of the frame, setting it aside. Using the 5mm hex key, secure the top screw through the rear fender. Utilize the 4mm hex key to firmly tighten the sidearms in position. Ensure that all screws are securely tightened before placing the rear wheel back in its original position. Reconnect the motor's cable, aligning it with the two arrows to prevent connection issues. Remember to reinstall the cable clip, then securely tighten the axle bolts, and finally, reattach the plastic caps. We're almost there. Inflate the tires. Double check that the front wheel and handlebar are perfectly aligned. Test the bike system to ensure everything is functioning correctly, and then it's time to enjoy your ride.